Hey guys, how you all doing? So today in this video I am going to show you guys different locations while going to Arku Valley. But note, in this video I am not going to show you guys Arku Valley because I didn't visit it. So I have visited all the places near Arku Valley. This vlog name would be Tiffin to Taida. I'll explain you the reason why in this vlog. And I have visited lot of places near to Arku Valley and everything is below 100 kilometers and every location would come before going to Arku Valley. Have enjoyed a lot. The climate has changed and we had to halt at different places and I had to do the journey in a single day. So you guys do enjoy this vlog. Do not skip this video, watch till the end so that you know what are the places you can really visit and they are super fun to visit also.
Hey guys, it's Gangster here. Welcome back to my channel Gangster Girl. So today I am going to Taida only to have breakfast. This is so crazy, but I am doing that. So on the way to that, I just found out this cool location. You guys need to check this out. Guys, we arrived Taida and it's going to be 9. We have spent a lot of time in that waterfalls and at last my breakfast is here and I'm gonna taste it and it's going to be taste good. I know that. How it's tasting. ఏంటి నా ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇలా అయిపోయింది ఇగో ఈడి వల్ల అనుకుంటా కోతులతో ఉండి కోత అయిపోయింది అనమాట.
హాయ్ గైస్, ప్లీజ్ unsubscribe her channel. Thank you.
Time was about 9 o'clock, so we have decided to go to Anantagiri Adventure Park, which is visible on the road. This adventure park is really small, but it is must visit. I'll make a special video on this because if I add all the clips, this video will become lengthy. So I'll post a special video about this.
Rope cycling and I am between this wonderful dragon fruit garden. It is so far, guys. Still I need to walk alone. Guys, wanna see? Whew. Still need to walk till there. And this harness so heavy to carry. Very heavy.
I'm going for the cable rope. You guys can see all the safety measures are being taken. He's explaining how to operate this.
ఇది లాగితే స్లో అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ వదిలేస్తే స్పీడ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో we are gonna go reach that. Let's. I got the control. I can just go. So I'm washing my face with petrol.
In an hour we are wrapped up with the adventure park. We have visited coffee plantations. I've made a special video on Arku coffee plantations. You guys can watch it. I'll put the link below. Right after that again we have visited the Arku view spot.
We just came and having kebab. It's super spicy at the view spot. And now we are heading back to Tatipudi Reservoir. So actually our plan was to come Taida, have breakfast and go back to Escoda Tatipudi Reservoir. But we ended up till view spot and now we are gonna travel back.
In between we have stopped up at this location and it's superb.
Guys, just have a look of this place. Is so dope. I am in love. I couldn't have much time here because there are few mosquitoes in here. We are pretty scared and we are just running out. But I made a reel here, which is really good, and I'll show you guys the landmark, how to identify this place. This is the thing you can see in the entrance, and then nice view once you go little inside. Now guys, I am heading to we are heading to Escota, and in middle, actually it's not raining here, but you can see on the other hill it's completely raining. It started to drizzle a bit here, so I don't know if we can make it. So guys, as I told you, it started to rain, and we just stayed at this stop, and I don't know how much time it's gonna rain. Like, it rains for some time and it will go. And I have to tell you guys, the place we stayed, it really, mosquitoes really bite me so hard. I'm scared like it's a dengue mosquito. So let's hope it's not.
With time, the rain has become heavy. It wasn't stopping. The road wasn't visible at all. Roads were floating with water. So we had decided to wait there for few more hours. Like, we have waited for 2 hours and decided to wait more.
So we are washing apples in the rain.
It was that we were so hungry. It's lunch time. It has become 2:30. So the rain, the fog, nothing was stopping. So we decided to come out of there. After like 2:30, we have decided to go home. Some hills it was raining so much. Some hills it was so foggy. Some hills it was drizzling. So the rain was continuously going on. It wasn't easy at all driving in rain, fog, with that chilling cold breezes in that road. But I have decided that we have to drive, or else we will be stuck there forever, and it would be very hard to stay at that place. We cannot go to Aruku or we cannot go to Visakhapatnam, so we'll be stuck there without any shelter. So we have decided to move there somehow before it becomes dark, because in that place it becomes dark early. We couldn't record anything while it was raining heavy. It was very hard to concentrate. On top, the phone would get wet. So we just recorded the clips when the rain has stopped.
So guys, I can't tell you guys how much I got wet. Completely damn wet. Like, it was cold, foggy, raining, and I was driving. Crazily got wet. And now we have came to the Escota Tatapudi Reservoir. Yeah, this feels so good. It feels so good. I have to show you guys. There we go. Woohoo! That's so pretty. Water is flowing from here and going in a small canal. So guys, it started to rain here also, so we guys are leaving from here. You guys have to see. So guys, I cannot be there here for long, and this guy you can see is gone. Like, at least I have the jacket, and all those 3 people don't have anything. So guys, we are heading home, and I think it's a wrap from my end because my health has spoiled completely and I'm not feeling anywhere good. I continuously since 3 hours got wet in the rain. So guys, I think it's a wrap from my end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. Stay happy, stay blessed.